Okay, now let's try to get the value of x. Right here again, you can see CBD is a isosceles triangle because they tell this and this. They put two dash here. That means this line equal to this line, right? BD equal to BC, and we know in isosceles triangle, if what the sides equal, that opposite angle of the equal sides, those angles also equal. Now this side opposite angle is this one, that means 70. Then this side opposite angle is this one, that means this also should be 70, right? We can mark like that. And if I put here like a, now I can get a value of a, but the I can write like this over the 70 plus 70 plus a equal 180. So here 70 plus 70 140, 140 plus a will be equal to 180. So 140 bring to this side, so it will be minus 140. So a will be equal to 40 degrees. Okay, now we got a, right? This angle now we got. Okay, now I need to find this angle. This also easy because now think they tell no, now this AOBC straight line, and they tell no O is the center, so we know that means semicircle, right? This AB is the diameter of this circle, right? From the diameter, subtended angle at circumference, that means like this, it should be 90. Here should be 90, right? This is the diameter AB. So from the AB subtended angle at circumference, this should be 90. Now I can find this angle. Okay, I will put name for that. I'll put here B, right? Now I can write for the 90 plus 50 plus B equal 180, right? Then yeah, 50 plus 90 mean 140 again, and here B, here 180. So B will be equal to 180 when I bring to here. So what the B will be equal to 40. B also 40, right? Now I can write what the B also know, A also know, X is I can find now because they tell AOB is a straight line. So I can write A plus X plus B should be 180 angle on straight line. That's the reason. So I can write here what the A plus X plus B should be 180, or directly you can write the values. A also 40, B also 40. So I can write like this way: 40 plus X plus 40 equal to 180. So here will be X plus 40 plus 40 mean 180, no? Sorry, 40 plus 40 mean 80, no? Here 180, 80 bring to here. So 180 minus 80. So that means X will be equal to what, the 100. So now we got the value of X. X should be equal to 100 degrees.